good morning. Spyder Wayne here. It is Saturday, August 19th. It's coming up 7 o'clock in the morning. A beautiful sunrise this morning. Clear skies. Going to meet Jarvis Biker. He's going to take me on a scenic ride around his neck of the woods in southern Ontario. So it should be a really good day. Alright, so we're about to cross the Queenston-Lewiston Bridge into Canada. Of course, I'm on the Lewiston side. Queenston is the Canadian side. And oh, the Canadian flag is flying half-mast. I'm going to have to check out what happened up there. USA, middle of nowhere. Now we're in Canada. Yoo-hoo! Okay, we have cleared Canada Customs, and now we are approaching the infamous Easy Pass booths. I am not going to take the same booth I took the last time I went through. Not saying I'm superstitious. Let's hope this works. Didn't work. Won't work. Huh. Thank you. You know what? So he punched it in and it worked, but electronically it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to have to contact Easy Pass, maybe get a new one. I don't know. We shall see. All right. Off to St. Catharines. All right, he might not be here yet. Nope, doesn't look like it. That's okay. Here he comes. I just got here a couple minutes ago. I got stuck at the border because my Easy Pass didn't work.
Oh, yeah?
And I'm thinking, I'm not getting off my bike until I put it into neutral and put the parking brake, and it still didn't work.
Yeah.
Tried another lane, it didn't work. Had to get in the lineup for the cash lane, but he took it and he punched it in and it worked. So I need a new Easy Pass. Yep, I'm ready. Yeah, I got it. Not completely. I just about got around it, and then it clicked. I caught the edge of it. Cottage country. Right. I wish there was more roads like this for Lake Ontario. I mean, I have a couple that get real close, but it's not for very long. Nice old stone house. Yeah. This is nice. Lots of trailers in here. Holy cow. All right. Yeah, that way all I had to worry about was you hitting somebody. building boat ramps, I guess. Oh, that's exactly what they do in Lewiston every other weekend for some type of festival. Those pedestrians aren't worth too many points. They need to be on a